everyone. I hope you had a great spring break and are excited to get back to doing your artwork, your schoolwork, all that fun stuff. This week we celebrate a day called Earth Day. We're going to celebrate it technically on Wednesday, April 22nd, but I actually gave you art projects that have to do with Earth Day for the whole week. This particular project has you think about your impact on the earth, whether that's good or bad. It could be you think like, oh, I recycle, that's a good thing. Or you might think about the pollution you create when you drive around. Everybody does a little bit of both, but this is just a day or week that you can think about it a little more and think about how you can change it and do something good for the earth. We have an artist that we can look at named Andy Goldsworthy. He's one of my favorite artists because he loves the earth, and all of his artwork comes from nature and goes right back to nature. It has just no negative impact. It's all a positive impact on the earth. He will go to a place and look at the materials around him, and he'll collect rocks and sticks and leaves and pine cones and all kinds of things and create an artwork that when he's done, it can just go right back to nature. He doesn't expect it to stay there forever. As a matter of fact, he takes a picture of all of his artworks because he knows it won't last. So he'll take his picture and then he'll leave. Sometimes water washes it away immediately. Sometimes he makes an ice sculpture and it melts. And he's okay with that because he knows everything he used came from nature and he's ready for it to go back to nature. So this week, I'm going to challenge everybody to get outside, into your yard, and create some kind of environmental art piece. Something that uses your sticks and leaves, flower petals. Oh, but keep in mind, Mr. Goldsworthy would never go around and just pick all the flowers to create his artwork, because he doesn't like to kill nature. So he would find maybe a flower head that fell off, or petals that are scattered around the yard if he wanted to use those, any leaves that had fallen off the trees, or pine cones, or rocks that had been split, all different kinds of things like that. So you'll go out and find all of your nature materials, gather them up, and create your own environmental artwork. I'm going to show you a few pictures of Mr. Goldsworthy's artwork. You're going to get to watch a video of me creating my own environmental artwork, and then you get to work creating your own. I hope you have fun with it. Enjoy this nice weather this week, getting out there and creating an artwork.